I am an expert traveler. I've traveled all over the world. I've been to Thailand, Australia, all over the Caribbean. I took many cruises, and I pack like an expert. And you should pack like an expert. Don't be overpacking. Don't pack crazy stuff. Pack like an expert. If you need packing tips, you need to stay tuned. And I'm going to give you some packing tips that will help you pack like a professional, an expert packer. Stay tuned. Hey fellow travelers, this is Norman Payne from Up and Away. I pack like an expert. Take these packing tips with you. You need to start packing like an expert. Stop packing all this extra stuff that you ain't gonna need. Pack like an expert. Think about the way you pack. Take only the things you need. This is not a hard process. People lug around a lot of luggage. I watch people in airports lugging around 5 and 6 bags for no reason. I don't even understand it. You go on a 4-day trip and you got 3 bags. What the hell is in those bags? It's no need to have all those bags. I had some people go on a cruise. They had 5 bags. 2 people had 5 bags. 4 days of cruising, 5 bags. What are you going to be putting on? You on a beach. You on a cruise ship. You don't need 5 bags. It's crazy. So pack like an expert. Only take the things you need. I'm going to give you some tips. So here they go. Check the weather of the places you're going to go. There's several different apps out there you can use. Look at the different days. You can look up the days, look at the weather, look at the temperatures, look and see if it's going to be raining, look and see if it's going to be cold, and then pack accordingly. Don't pack a bunch of extra stuff. Don't pack 2 coats. Don't pack 2 jackets. Don't pack a bunch of shoes if you don't have to. Look at the weather and pack accordingly. I suggest you look at to see if your accommodations have a laundry. So if you're going to an Airbnb, see if it has a wash and dryer. It is best if you decide to wash something. You don't have to spend a whole day washing your clothes. Throw a load of laundry in when you're gonna leave your place and go explore. Come back, throw that laundry in the dryer at that time while you're eating or something. But throw it in before you take a nap or go to shower or something. Do that while you're doing other stuff. You don't have to spend the day washing. Let it do it while you're doing something else. If you go on a cruise ship, I know a lot of cruise ships have laundry facilities. So you can take some things that you can throw in the washing machine and wash while you're on the cruise ship. It is easy to do that. So you won't have to take a lot of bags on that cruise ship. There's not a lot of space on a cruise ship to take your luggage anyway. Pack lightly for that. So be sure that you take some change for a laundromat on a cruise ship because they only take quarters on some of them. It is slightly expensive, so be sure you check into that before you do it. But it is better than lugging a lot of luggage around with you. Pack in single palette colors. It's make things easier. Pack in a lot of grays. I'm colorblind, so it's easy for me to pack in grays or browns or things like that. In the wintertime, you may see me in blacks and grays and whites. I will pack a lot of those because it's easy to mix and match. Pack in single colors, blues and light blues. Of course, you're not gonna see me in a lot of those, but pack in blues, light blues, things that match up easy, earth tones. Pack in things that you can mix and match. Don't worry about reusing colors and clothing. Don't nobody know you in these cities. Lay out your clothing and then go back and edit that clothing because there are some things that you can probably get rid of. Just lay it out, walk away from it, come back and look at it, and then rearrange. Look at it, rearrange. It's probably things you can get rid of. It's not a big deal if you have to take away a pair of pants. If you got 3 pair of jeans, you probably can get away with 2 pair of jeans. Check it out, rearrange, edit, take something away. You don't need to have a lot of clothing on a trip. It's not necessary. What to take in your luggage? You're gonna probably need toiletries. No matter where you go, you're gonna need toiletries. So be sure that if you're gonna take something through security, 3.4 ounces. But you're probably gonna need more than that if you're gonna be on a long trip. So be sure that you do not take more than 3.4 ounces. If you are, put it in your checked luggage because it will get taken. Put that stuff in your checked luggage, but do not overtake things that you're gonna not use. Be sure the things you take are gonna be used on the trip. Don't take big bottles if you're not gonna use it up. Take enough just to use on your trip. Take some first aid things. Take some Band-Aids, things like that, so you don't have to buy them while you're gone because that stuff has become expensive. But you can take a few Band-Aids, some alcohol wipes and things like that. But take a few of those and put those in your checked luggage. Don't take that in your carry-on. Save that carry-on space for other things. Footwear. Footwear takes up most of your space in your luggage. So keep in mind of what you're going to be doing when you're on your trip. If you're going to be walking around, you want comfortable shoes to walk around in. So be sure you have comfortable shoes. If you're going to go out, you want to be sure that you're going to have shoes that you're going to be able to go out in to, say, a nice dinner or things like that. So be sure you have those. If you're a hiker and you're going to be going hiking, you want to have some shoes to hike in. So that's going to take up a lot of space. Be sure that you're taking the right shoes for what you're going to do. Don't take extra shoes. Please don't take extra shoes if you're not going to use them. Think about that, what you're going to do. Put your socks inside your shoes. Roll them up. Even different socks. Put all of your socks in your shoes because that's going to take up space too. Use that space. Stick them in your shoes. Everybody needs underwear. Everybody's going to be wearing underwear. So you're going to take your underwear. But you don't need to take a whole lot of underwear. Take just enough underwear. And then that goes back to being able to wash those underwear. Take enough. But don't take 10 pair if you're only gonna wear 5 pair. Take enough just for your trip. Some people think they want to take an extra pair in case they have an accident. I hope you don't have an accident. But take just enough underwear. Plan it out. And I hope you don't have an accident. Pants. Take just enough pants. Short pants, I hope you're going somewhere really, really warm. But if you are going to somewhere that's cold, plan those days out. Take just enough jeans. Take just enough warm clothing for those cold days and evenings that you're going to be out. But if you're going somewhere warm, don't go taking a bunch of long pants. Go ahead and take the shorts, take the bathing suits, take the swim shorts and things like that because you're going to be enjoying the warm weather. Don't take a bunch of cold weather stuff. I know some people take jackets to warm weather destinations and all it does is take up space and you never wear them. So don't take that stuff unless you're going to use it. Sleepwear. Some people, me included, I don't sleep in anything. But if you do, take a pair of pajamas. If you sweat at night, I guess you need 2 pair. But if you don't, take a pair of pajamas. Just take what you need. Don't take 3 or 4 pair of pajamas and all you're gonna do is bring them back. Now I know some people, they want to have a romantic night with their loved one. They want to take several nighties or something like that. You have it on for 15 minutes and then you're gonna rip it off. It's cool to have that playtime, but I take one of them and fantasize the rest of the time. But don't take a whole bunch of stuff that you're not going to use. Just take one, or act like it's a new one the second night. Don't take a whole lot of different stuff. It just takes up space. I suggest you don't take a whole lot of jewelry with you when you're traveling. Sometimes it's just too much. It draws attention and everything. So don't take a lot of jewelry. It's no need for it. If you're a person that you have to wear your jewelry, take 1 or 2 pieces. It's no need to have it. If you want to wear a watch, I really don't suggest you wear a watch. You have a clock on your phone that you're gonna carry with you. Use that as your clock. Don't wear a watch. It's only a piece of jewelry that you're gonna be flashing around. It takes up space that you don't need to take up. Rings and things like that, leave them at home. There's no need for it. If you have to wear them, bring 1 or 2 pieces. Pack light. That's the whole key to this. Pack light. Pack like an expert. Don't bring a lot of extra stuff. That's all I got for you today. The takeaway is pack like an expert. For me, I pack light, I travel light, because I want to get up and go when I want to get up and go. That's all I got for you today. Leave me a comment. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
And please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman, where you will find my Facebook page, my Instagram account, my Twitter page, and my TikTok page.